Halti harness on your dog, firstly undo the clip on the red chest strap. Place the red chest strap over your dog's head and ensure that the control ring is sat on the top of the dog's back. Bring the other end of the strap underneath your dog's chest and connect to the clip. Attach the safety link to the D-ring of your dog's collar. Now connect the lead to the control ring on the front strap. Then you can connect the lead to the back control ring. We would always recommend using a double clip lead such as the Halti training lead with the Halti harness. This will enable you to have more control over the direction and the speed of your dog. To ensure you have the correct fit of the Halti harness, ensure that both the chest and the back straps are snug but not too tight. The safety link should be able to reach comfortably onto the D-ring of the dog's collar. The front strap should sit about halfway down the dog's chest.